Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is grow as the flower grows. Have you ever experienced how a tiny little bird becomes a flower without your knowing, without any effort, without any action? A bird becomes flowers. It deeply longs for to become a flower. It waits for the next day morning, sun to rise, and the winds will be there, and it will release all its fragrance all over the air. You should be like that. You should be like that tiny bird. This is the first requirement, the need to contact the field of transcendental consciousness, the field of infinite possibilities. Just your silence, just your silent, deeper longing is enough for fulfillment of every aspirations. Just stay tuned with us for our forthcoming webinars, seminars and workshop. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.